Hi everyone, I'm Warrior, and Merry Christmas. Today, I'm going to play a car racing game, Asphalt 8. Alright, let's go.
Flow Rastafari, está perfecto ese party. Mami, tú estás bien salvaje y yo que estoy de safari. DJ no le baje, póngala de Tego y de Daddy. What you know about rolling down in the deep? What you know about rolling down in the deep?
Just Dance 2026 edition. Available now.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah, yeah. je te dis deuil car les problèmes ne viennent pas seuls. Qui dit crise te dit monde, et dit famille dit tiers-monde, et qui dit fatigue dit réveil. Encore sourd de la veille, alors on sort pour oublier tous les problèmes. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like loosely. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Whooped it. I love it. Whooped it. Whooped it. Smacked out. Whooped it. Smacked out. Whooped it. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks up in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I know them broke flips. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they do it. Get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Whooped it. I love it. Whooped it.
And there is it today, before the end of the video. If you also play this game, comment what car I should buy next. And remember, like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye.